Just kidding. It's me, Emily. So I want to tell you guys about how I prep skin for makeup. So I take a very different and very logical approach when it comes to prepping skin for makeup, and I wanted to share with you guys a way to make it easier for you when you want to, set up for your clients. And this is with the help of my roommate, Amar. So, okay, let's start off with the really crucial step, and that is sanitizing your hands. Please make sure that your hands are clean and sanitized when you're going to put anything on a client. So, and also make sure that it's not any higher than 70% so that it actually kills the bacteria. I like to use this one because it's super affordable and I don't want to be stingy with sanitizer. I really want to load my hands, and this one doesn't feel sticky or greasy. It's really lightweight and really affordable, very minimal scent. It's pretty awesome. So I like to go ahead and cleanse the skin first, and I either use these fragrance-free makeup wipes from Walmart or the Garnier Micellar Water, which are both fragrance-free. So first off, let's go with the one that I didn't use, and that's the micellar water from Garnier. I love this stuff, and it's really affordable, so it's an easy one to include in your kit. You don't have to spend a lot of money on micellar water. They all do the same thing. Just make sure that they're fragrance free. Now for the wipes, these ones are also fragrance free. Do not tug on the client's skin. Do not rub too much. These ones are really, really soft, but still very sturdy. They don't rip apart or anything. They feel really soft on the client's skin, fragrance free. Like I said, no greasy finish or anything. So if you're just going to clean the skin or touch up the skin or make sure clean up any mistakes, this is a really good one to go for. Be really gentle with the client's face. You don't want to make their face red and then make your job harder and for you to need a higher coverage foundation. You just need to lightly go over the skin, make sure that it's cleansed and that the wipe comes back clean. These ones are only $4, so they're a really good one for your kit. Next up, I'm going to use this Centella toner by CosRx. This is going to help neutralize any redness, calm down the skin, help with any irritation. But the reason I use it is because it makes your skin more permeable. So then when I go in with the moisturizer and I go immediately, I don't let it evaporate. I don't let it absorb. I immediately go in with the moisturizer, and the one that I use also helps with redness. So this is going to help the skin hydrate. It's going to absorb more. It's not going to make your products pill, but it's still going to help hydrate and soothe the skin, and it's going to help with flakiness, redness, and irritation. Quick little pro tip, I like to decant everything and put them on these little bottles. This saves you counter space, it saves you space in your kit, it saves you a lot of weight so you don't have to carry a bunch of stuff. You do not need the entire product. They also keep your kit really hygienic because you're not going to accidentally double dip or anything. You're just going to squeeze everything out. I like to squeeze everything out onto a palette, so this makes it really easy to do that. These are the only tools I'm going to use for application today, as far as skincare goes. And they are those little silicone spatula thingies that you use to put on face masks, and then the Real Technique skincare set. I'm going to use the lip scrub and the eye cream applicator. I also like to pour everything out in advance so I can just kind of whack everything on as quickly as possible, especially when it comes to the toner. I want to layer everything quickly. So this makes it really easy to do that. These are my two favorite moisturizers to include in my kit, and I use them on every single client. First and foremost, they are fragrance free, and the reason I do that is because you never know what kind of client you're going to get and what their skin type is. In beauty school this happened, and I kept telling them that eventually we were going to get a client who had really sensitive skin, and it happened. It wastes a lot of time. If you get a client who has a reaction, you have to go into damage control, take everything off, reapply skincare, try to soothe their skin. You're going to have to use a lot more product. It's just, why take the risk? These ones are going to have humectants that are going to help absorb the water in the toner. So they're going to go deeper into the skin, help hydrate, help with any flakiness. They're not going to feel greasy or anything. And then plus the toner is going to help the moisturizers absorb better. You're going to notice I'm not talking a lot about the ingredients. That's because they don't matter. When it comes to skincare, you have to be consistent and use them on a regular basis. A one-time application is not going to do anything for the skin. So just focus on making it easier on yourself. The texture is lightweight. It's going to neutralize redness. It's going to make the skin feel soft and smooth. I'm not trying to sell these products to the client, so all I care about is that they perform well and they make the skin look nice like this. I know what you're thinking, Emily, is that nipple cream? And yes, it motherfucking is. And here's why. If you're a fan of Lanolips, that's just lanolin. This is also just lanolin. You don't need to buy the expensive lip balm. I decanted it. It helps hydrate the skin exactly the same way as Lanolips does, but it's a fraction of the price. It's really rich, really emollient. I like to put it on about 20 minutes before I'm going to scrub the lips with that little applicator, and that helps soften up and loosen up any dead skin on the lips, and it also gives you a really pretty shine. It looks like you're wearing lip gloss. It's also pretty much a lip sleeping mask, but like on a budget. I only use these next two products when I know that I have the time and when I feel the client absolutely needs it. This sheet mask is going to help push ingredients that hydrate the skin deeper into the skin. It's going to make it softer. It's going to make it shinier. Well, not shinier, but smoother. So it makes the foundation go on a lot better, and it makes your job easier when it comes to blending on the skin. It's not going to lift any flakiness or anything, and it's also fragrance free. So that's awesome. These under eye masks are from Forever 21. They were like $5. All I cared about was that they were fragrance free and that they had humectants in them that were going to help hydrate the under eye. It's really good for people who have crepey under eyes, purple under eyes, hollow under eyes. This is going to help plump up that area, help concealer go on smoother. This won't do anything for brown under eye circles, so bear that in mind. I also like to top it with a little bit more cream to help seal in those humectants. Look how smooth this under eyes look. Aww. I also like to go in with this lip scrubbing brush from Real Techniques. It just kind of helps slough off any dead skin cells, and after that you are all done. Yes, girl, work it, girl. Oh my god, you better serve it. Ooh. So I hope you guys like this video. I know this is a terrible outro, but I forgot to shoot one. Typical Emily. Also, if you like these techniques, you like these products, try them out. Let me know what you think. Don't I look great? Look at my hair. This is such a flattering angle. I love this for me. Make sure you follow, comment, subscribe, whatever the fuck. I have a YouTube and I also have an IGTV, so you may follow either or. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Why are you still watching it? Don't you have anything better to do? Oh my god. Anyways, thank you. Bye.